Mastering regulatory compliance integration. Your organization's survival hinges on navigating a complex web of regulatory compliance. What are the current regulatory compliance requirements that our organization must adhere to, and how do these requirements influence its operational processes, risk management strategies, and overall business performance? To achieve operational excellence in regulatory compliance integration, our organization must embark on a comprehensive approach that encompasses a deep understanding of the current regulatory landscape, robust risk management strategies, and seamless integration of compliance requirements into its operational processes. Firstly, it is essential to maintain a repository of all applicable regulatory requirements, including laws, regulations, standards, and industry best practices. This repository should be regularly updated to reflect any changes or additions to the regulatory landscape, ensuring that our organization is always aware of its compliance obligations. To ensure operational excellence, our organization should implement a risk-based approach to compliance, where regulatory requirements are prioritized based on the level of risk they pose to the organization. This approach enables the organization to focus its resources on the most critical compliance requirements, thereby minimizing the likelihood of non-compliance and associated consequences. The integration of regulatory compliance requirements into operational processes is critical to achieving operational excellence. This can be achieved by embedding compliance requirements into the organization's policies, procedures, and standards. For instance, compliance requirements should be incorporated into employee onboarding processes, ensuring that all personnel are aware of their compliance obligations from the outset. Furthermore, our organization should establish a compliance governance framework that outlines roles and responsibilities, accountability, and decision-making processes related to regulatory compliance. This framework should be supported by a robust compliance risk management process that identifies, assesses, and mitigates compliance risks across the organization. Effective training and awareness programs are also essential for operational excellence in regulatory compliance integration. These programs should be designed to educate employees on the regulatory requirements applicable to their roles, as well as the consequences of non-compliance. The programs should also be regularly updated to reflect changes in the regulatory landscape and should be accessible to all employees, including contractors and third-party vendors. To ensure seamless integration of compliance requirements into operational processes, our organization should leverage technology to support its compliance efforts. This includes the implementation of compliance software solutions that enable real-time monitoring of compliance risks, automate compliance reporting, and provide alerts and notifications of compliance obligations. Regular compliance reviews and assessments are critical to identifying areas of improvement and ensuring operational excellence. These reviews should be conducted by independent and objective reviewers who possess the necessary expertise and knowledge of regulatory compliance requirements. In addition, our organization should establish a culture of compliance that encourages employees to report compliance concerns and incidents without fear of retaliation. This culture should be reinforced by a whistleblower policy that provides a confidential and anonymous reporting mechanism. To ensure that our organization's operational processes are aligned with regulatory compliance requirements, we should implement a structured approach to process design and improvement. This approach should involve the analysis of existing processes, identification of areas for improvement, and design of new processes that incorporate regulatory compliance requirements. Finally, our organization should establish key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure its compliance performance and operational excellence. These KPIs should be regularly monitored and reported to senior management, enabling data-driven decisions that drive continuous improvement. In conclusion, achieving operational excellence in regulatory compliance integration requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses a deep understanding of regulatory requirements, robust risk management strategies, and seamless integration of compliance requirements into operational processes. By implementing these measures, our organization can ensure that it is operating in a compliant and efficient manner, thereby minimizing the likelihood of non-compliance and associated consequences.